Welcome, it's the RC Renegade here. Today we are doing a cooling fan install on the Arrma Typhon TLR. As you can see, we got the heat sink installed with the fans, as well as running the wires, securing the wire, and connecting it to the receiver here. Now let me turn this on and demonstrate that everything works. And take note that it's a little louder than it was before, because we have 2 new fans. As you can see and hear, everything is working. The ESC fan is running through the electronic speed control, and then the 2 heatsink fans here are also running. They are drawing air over the heatsink to cool the motor. Now it's also important to note, this body shell will fit over the heatsink. These fans are quite a bit taller than it was before, and you can see on the shell, it has this lower section here with fins. These fins, it's kind of hard to see, but these fins have slots in here. I can demonstrate this by putting a light underneath. You can see where the light's coming through. These fins are for cooling. And fortunately, nothing hits. There's enough clearance to mount the body on and not have any interference. And I'll demonstrate that right now. You just have your cotter pins that slide in. The cotter pins slide in and the body mounts like so. It's always tricky to get those pins in. But you can see we got the pins in, the fans are running. I can feel air being sucked down through here for engine cooling, to cool the motor. So that is a good sign. As you can see, everything works just fine and the install was successful. As always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and be on the lookout for more videos.